I was laughing. I saw somebody send me, the DA says, I'm a millionaire without a business. My fee at Goldfields, of my expertise, Goldfields is the 4th largest gold company in the world. In 2010, you know what was my fee? I charged them a month, 2 million. They paid me 2 million. My salary is 2 million a month. 2010, they paid me 2 million. Can you take the 2 million a month. Goldfields. I'm saying this thing live here so people can verify. I got 2 million rents for my services. 2 million. I went to, and from there I would pay my team. I then went to start at Namakwa Diamonds. My salary was $100,000 a month. Because ik het experience met die ding. Ryk mense sal nie vir jou betaal. Ryk mense is nie dom met geld nie. Hulle betaal nie vir jou. 'n man wat jou kan 1 miljoen rand salaris 'n maand betaal. Is nie dom nie. So ek het ding. My family owns hotels. My family I had mines. The turnover was of one of the mines is 50 million rands per year. These things are there. I own the biggest publishing company in this country. It was only best-selling books. Julle kan maar wat praat van my. Die Here het my geseën. We own an aviation company. We own an aviation company. We've got jets that we lease. We've got some that the family owns. Nie een. Dit is hulle mens. Moenie vir my so kyk. No, Keaton, why doesn't he have a business? Because they is no doubt, hy het 'n company geregister wat nooit getreed het nie. Nou dink jy ek is hy. I had a special life with the PA people where I said to them, I'm out of business. I just bought the biggest piece of land in Plet. Paid for it. Millions. 2 weeks ago. My family. Julle is vertrag. In Engels, vertriegels. Vertrag.